JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted programming language primarily used for adding interactivity and dynamic features to web pages. It was created by Brendan Eich at Netscape in 1995 and has since become one of the most popular programming languages on the web. JavaScript code is typically embedded within HTML documents using script tags. JavaScript has a simple syntax that is similar to other programming languages like C, Java, and C++. Statements in JavaScript are terminated by a semicolon. JavaScript can output data to the browser's developer console using console log function. Comments are used to make code more readable and are ignored by the JavaScript interpreter. There are two types of comments in JavaScript: single-line comments, multi-line comments.